My name is Manny. I'm the service manager of this beautiful dealership. This is Wes Bridges, my partner in crime, and he is actually going to be building this fantastic car that we are going to be showing you. We are the current champions of the Porsche Restoration Challenge, which is a competition that Porsche Cars North America do for our dealer network. And what it basically is they give us a range of vehicles. I think it's 2004.
Right, yeah.
2004 backwards. And they say, okay, you pick a vehicle and restore it. So our championship winning car is right there. It's a 1989 Targa. When they made a decision for us to defend the title, they said, okay, what are you going to do now? And I thought, okay, well, I think we should carry on the RS theme. Okay, well, what do you got in mind? I think we should restore a real RS. And just by chance, a friend of ours says, hey, we found a car, it's in Canada. The car was in Ontario, Canada. Right. Well, yeah, I was getting to that. So I was like, okay, Ontario, Canada, that's a sign. And as you can tell from the accent, I'm from England and I grew up in London. So I said, okay, it's at a Porsche dealer, great. Well, what dealer is it at? Porsche of London. In Canada, London, Canada. So I was like, okay, this has to be the car.
That's the one.
That's the one. So, yeah. and Mark Marchant here, our general manager, is like, okay. So we saw that the body had a lot of issues. The engine was leaking.
Just about everywhere.
Yeah. It was bad.
There was only one distributor running.
It wasn't running. It wasn't running. We got it running, and we actually did smog the car. So it's legal. We got it registered. It's legal. Wes did a fantastic job. He stripped it completely. Got the engine out. You can actually see the video. It's on YouTube. I'm the engine guy. I love engines, and well, so's Wes. Wes is very experienced, but I kind of like the engine is my thing. So there's a video of me completely disassembling the engine down to the case, and I'll talk about that in a second. But I'm just going to show you the car now because the car just came back from the body shop this week. Okay, me and Wes are going to produce the best RS America that there has ever been. When you give a product the name RS, it's got to mean something, right? This is going to be really, really special. Wes and I are going to do some things to the car that's going to live up to that RS name and go beyond. We do this because Porsche provide us with classic parts. This is what Porsche is all about. Making a car, we're making it, we're using those parts to build the car to what we want. Putting in parts straight off the shelf. It's not that we're going aftermarket. There's nothing on this car that's really aftermarket. We're going to Porsche and saying, okay, I want this part because it's better. It's Porsche passion that drives the Porsche business, you know. And we have it here. Win or lose, it's going to be the best car there. Without a doubt, it's going to be the best car. Thank you.